Hi guys, so for today's video we're going to make Rice Crispie and Marshmallow buns that are in the shape of a pumpkin. Now these are great for kids, so sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So first of all we take 57 grams or 1/4 stick of butter and we add it to a saucepan. Pop it onto a low heat until it melts. Then to that we're going to add 1 bag of pink and white marshmallows. Just give that a stir around until everything is melted and combined together. Now we're going to go over off the heat, and to that then we're going to add some orange food colouring, just a little bit, and then we'll mix it around until we get the desired colour. Now if you don't have orange, mix a little bit of red and yellow together, which will give you the same effect. Now as you can see we've got a lovely orange colour there. So now we're going to add 6 cups of Rice Crispies. We'll give that a quick stir around, just until all the Rice Crispies are covered in the marshmallow mix. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and the bell for notifications. It does help that I can make further videos for you. So now that our mixture is fully combined, just take a little bit of spray oil, spray it onto your hands and take a small amount of the Rice Crispie mix and we'll roll it into small balls. Now we just set them on a baking tray or on some greaseproof or parchment paper. Now while the marshmallow Rice Crispie balls are still warm, we're going to make a small indent in the top, and to that then we're going to add some Mini-Rolos. This acts as a stem, and then we're going to add some green M&Ms which acts as a leaf. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Again, thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my further videos.